In this video, we are going to see how we can edit our avatar on Reddit. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process. All you have to do is just click on the top right hand corner and hit your profile icon. And there you have this edit avatar option. We will click on that. And here you have different avatars along with their outfit, tops, bottoms, hair, face, and eyes. So you can customize that however you want. For example, I want my avatar to wear koala style outfit. I'll choose that, click on wear all. So this is a complete outfit. As you can see, if we click on wear all, it will be all edited like this. After that, if you want to customize, let's say the top, you can customize it like this and you can save it again. Similarly, if you want to customize the hair, you can customize it like this. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.